In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a web-to-lead form in Salesforce. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to capture leads directly from their website into Salesforce, helping streamline your sales process and increase efficiency. So let's dive in and walk through this step by step. First, we'll start by navigating to Salesforce. Once you're logged in, focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon. This is your entry point into the setup area. Click on that gear icon and select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. This advanced section is where you'll find all the tools you need to customize and manage different aspects of Salesforce. Next, we need to locate the Web-to-Lead setup. In the menu, you'll see a quick find box at the top. Type Web to Lead into this box. This will help you swiftly bring up the Web to Lead settings without having to navigate through lots of menus. Once you see it listed, go ahead and select it. Now that you're in the Web to Lead settings, you're ready to create your form. There's a button labeled Create Web to Lead Form, so click on that. This action will open up a new screen where you can start customizing the form that your website visitors will use to submit their information. One of the most crucial aspects here is selecting the fields you want to include in your form. On the left hand side, you'll see an Available Fields section. Here you can choose from various fields such as name, email, company, and more. Select the fields that are important for your capture process and transfer them to the Selected Fields section on the right. This step ensures that when users fill out the form, you're gathering all the necessary information you'll need. After choosing your fields, it's time to set up the return URL. This is the page users will be redirected to after submitting the form. You can use this opportunity to guide them to a thank you page where they receive further instructions or information. To avoid spam submissions, it's important to manage verification effectively. You'll see an option to require reCAPTCHA verification. Make sure to tick this box. Doing so helps ensure that the submissions you receive are genuine, as any requests failing this verification step will be ignored by Salesforce. Once you're happy with the configuration of your form, meaning you've selected all the desired fields and set your return URL, go ahead and click Generate. This action will produce the HTML code for your form. The final step in this process is embedding the form into your website. Copy the generated HTML code provided by Salesforce. Then paste this code into your website's source code where you want the form to appear. With this, your Web to Lead form is now live, ready to capture new leads seamlessly. And there you have it, a straightforward yet powerful way to capture leads using Salesforce's Web to Lead form. With this form integrated into your website, you'll streamline the process from prospect interest to lead management, all within Salesforce.